Imagine being able to learn any skill or subject you want, and fast. Whether it's mastering a new language, acing a new software program, or picking up a musical instrument, it's not just about hard work. It's about smart strategies that can accelerate your learning process. In today's video, I'll show you how to learn anything rapidly and effectively. Hey there, I'm your name. And in this video, we're going to dive into some proven techniques that can help you master any subject or skill more quickly. Learning rapidly isn't about rushing through, it's about using strategies that enhance how your brain absorbs and processes new information. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, use focused learning. One of the key things that can make or break your learning speed is your ability to focus. According to Dr. John Dunlosky, a cognitive psychologist at Kent State University, the human brain can only effectively focus for about 25 to 45 minutes at a time before cognitive fatigue sets in. So, break your learning into chunks. This is called the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes, work without distractions, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps maintain focus and keeps your brain fresh, boosting both retention and speed. Research shows that the brain needs rest to consolidate learning, which brings us to our next tip. Tip number 2, spaced repetition. To truly master something, you need to revisit it at regular intervals. This is where spaced repetition comes in. Studies show that spacing out your reviews over days or weeks helps you retain information far better than cramming it all at once. Apps like Anki or Quizlet use this method, reminding you to review concepts just before you're about to forget them. By spacing your reviews, you're enhancing long-term retention, which is critical when you need to absorb complex subjects quickly. Tip number 3, active learning. Simply reading or watching videos passively won't get you far. You need to engage actively with the material. This can include techniques like summarizing, teaching others, or doing practice problems. When you explain a topic to someone else, it forces you to process the information deeply and articulate it clearly. This strategy, often referred to as the Feynman technique, named after Nobel laureate Richard Feynman, is proven to help clarify your understanding and speed up the learning process. Tip number 4, interleave your practice. It may sound counterintuitive, but switching between different skills or topics while learning can improve your ability to apply knowledge in different contexts. This technique, known as interleaving, has been shown in multiple studies to improve problem solving and retention. For example, if you're learning to play guitar, don't just practice one song over and over. Instead, mix different songs, scales, or techniques into your practice. This forces your brain to make connections across different pieces of information, enhancing both speed and mastery. Tip number 5, use mental models. A mental model is simply a framework or a way of thinking about a problem. By using a variety of mental models, you can approach problems from different angles and speed up your decision-making and understanding. A classic example is the Pareto principle, the idea that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. In learning, this means focusing on the 20% of material that will give you the most significant results. By understanding which concepts or skills are most important to your goal, you can focus your energy on what will provide the greatest return. Tip number 6, take care of your body and mind. It might sound simple, but your physical well-being plays a huge role in how quickly you learn. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and quality sleep are essential for brain health. Research from the University of California shows that physical exercise increases neurogenesis, which means your brain actually grows new cells, helping improve memory and learning speed. And don't underestimate sleep. When you sleep, your brain consolidates memories and strengthens neural connections made during the day. So, there you have it. 6 tips to accelerate your learning. To recap, focus your learning, use spaced repetition, engage in active learning, embrace interleaving, apply mental models, and take care of your physical and mental health. Remember, learning isn't about being the smartest in the room. It's about applying the right strategies to make the most of your potential. With the right approach, you can learn anything, and you can learn it fast. So, what are you going to learn next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to supercharge your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.